look.
So Ty picked up this drone on Black Friday, and I kind of want a drone, so I'm gonna play with his, and we'll see if the video turns out good, and you guys let us know if you like the drone video, and then I might buy one. I don't know. We'll see.
All right, so
What's up? Where am I putting this? What? I don't care.
I'm really just gonna fly around and mainly get used to it and just like screw with some of the settings.
Okay.
So you want to mainly just film your car?
Yeah.
Alright, so want to just park, like run an angle up there, then we'll just film that.
Yeah.
Then you can film whatever.
Okay.
Alright, I'll meet you up there.
Okay. You lead the way.
Go like I don't know, go like 50 feet up.
Okay. What's up, kids? Hanging out with Ty today, and Ty got a toy, so we're gonna play with this little guy with this nice view. That's fine. We're gonna launch him off the wing.
Yeah, I think the prop might hit.
No, just launch him on the roof. I don't care. Will he launch on the roof?
I'm not watching it. Give it a whirl.
Yeah, we brought this piece of shit out so Ty can play with the drone and you guys can get a video out of it.
Oh, okay.
How do we got to calibrate this? What do I do?
Alright, basically, I gotta walk like 5 feet away.
Do I just hold it?
Yeah. What the hell?
Oh,
It's gonna spin.
yeah. I remember doing that on the boat with Dalton.
Alright, here we go. Alright, rotate, just spin around in a circle. And I'll tell you when to go vertical. Alright, rotate, vertical.
So this way?
Yeah, that way, and then just spin around in a circle. Alright, put it back in the roof. I think
Alright.
rips are its size too.
Okay, it's green.
Damn it. Walk away with the controller and tell me when to rotate. Just hit restart.
All right. All right, it says rotate just that way.
Just let me know when it says vertical.
Now it says vertical. Now we're,
It should say calibration complete and then just go away.
yeah.
Alright. Alright, now we're golden. Now we can take off from the roof.
Wait. Compass error?
What the fuck, man?
Fuck your drone.
Fuck it. I'm just flying it without it.
Piece of shit. This thing's going in the lake. Here it goes.
Maybe I should calibrate it because see how it's drifting? It should stay still.
Yeah, I feel like you should calibrate this.
I'll land it.
So yeah, this whole video is just us playing with this drone and seeing what features it does and just shooting the car. So if you don't want to see that, don't watch this video.
Screw you.
If you do want to see it, hit play and keep on watching.
This is so hard. Trying to get it like directly above.
Trying to do a rocket shot off this thing.
I don't know how high I have to start it. We'll find out. I'll come right off the roof.
That's fine.
There, so it's like that.
Hit my roof.
This thing dents your roof, dude. You gotta get a different car. Alright, let's try rocket mode. Nope, I don't want to land. Active. Cannot track subject. Oh shit, it's too far. It's too big. Try that. Boop. Really? You know, maybe I'll just do your roof. I don't actually need to do the whole car, right? It's going in the center.
Yeah.
Alright. It goes slow, but then you can just speed it up.
Ready to go.
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
I can see it. I can't see it in the camera.
Really? You can see it. Oh no, that's a speck on the screen.
That's a speck in the screen.
How high do you want it to go?
I don't know. How high can it go?
It could go like 1,000 feet in the
Nope.
air.
That's not it. Fuck. I don't know where it went.
It's.
I see it.
We're at 100. All right, 150 feet. Oh, it comes back to the starting point. It's nice.
That's cool.
Faded light, so smooth in heights. Your cruel mind, out of sight. You're crawling down.
Breaking news. You got to plug in your batteries for your drone for it to work. So Ty forgot to do that.
No, I did. It apparently wasn't a. Yeah, we're at 11%. Fuck.
Big F.
Oh man. Oh well.
We got some drone shots for you kids. It's probably like 20 seconds.
No.
This color is so fucking ugly.
F, dude. You're on the fucking home court all damn night. Amateur. You get to fly another day.
That was a quick adventure. That was fun.
I mean, I got some cool shots. I'll pull the memory card out of my laptop and see if I can get the video on it.
Okay. That was the thing that I always thought was like annoying about drones is their batteries lasted like 10 minutes.
Yeah, it is kind of tough.
What's up, guys? It is super cold. I have no shoes on. I'm wearing a t-shirt, but I have a beanie, so that makes up for something. Again, thank you guys for watching this video. Sorry the drone footage was so short. Turns out Ty kind of forgot to charge his second battery. They were on the charger, but I guess he didn't have the second one seated the way it should be, so it didn't charge at all. So we got 10 minutes of drone flying in, so that's all we got in 10 minutes. It was fun though, so let me know if you guys think I need to get a drone for the channel. I've always like thought about it. I always thought it'd be fun to play with. I am terrified of crashing it into something. Basically water. I'm terrified of crashing into water, so that sucks. But let me know if you guys think I need a drone. Also, the tripod's not here. I left it at James Coon's house, so I gotta get that back at some point. Stay tuned on the channel. We've got some new videos coming up soon. The Haltech is going to get started soon on this rig, so hopefully we'll have some more install videos for you guys because I really haven't modified or touched the FC in a very long time. So let's get that done. Pretty much that's all the main things that's going on. So let me know if you guys think I should get a drone. If you guys are into drones, let me know what drones you guys think I should get. If you know drones, I don't know drones, so I don't know anything about them. So let me know. Again, thank you for watching this video, and if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you are a long-term subscriber, thank you guys for the support so much. And stay tuned. We've got some 2x4 Co merch dropping here soon. So be on the lookout, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all. Yeah, I was outside for, I don't know, 2 minutes, and I can't feel my feet. So, moral of the story, wear shoes, kids, especially when it's like 29 degrees outside. But whatever. All right. Now we're done.